tried to avoid this, but I'm going to have to do some lawyering and give you some defined terms. I apologise, but it's not going to make any sense otherwise. Three big concepts with the information. We're talking about information here, so there's three concepts. One, personal information. We've talked about that. That's any kind of information about an individual. That's it in a nutshell. Then there are two subcategories: sensitive information and credit information. Credit eligibility information, which when you follow the next three definitions means credit information. So we've talked about what personal information is. What's sensitive information? Sensitive information, it means information or an opinion, this is an abridged definition by the way, about someone's racial or ethnic origin, political opinion, membership of a political organisation, religious beliefs, sexual preferences, criminal record, health or disability. The litmus test for whether it's sensitive information is if you made a joke about it in the lunchroom, it'd be bad PC. So just sensitive information, so that's treated a little bit differently. It's a fairly small category in our world, so trade credit world, it's a fairly small category, but it does have a different classification. Credit eligibility information means credit reporting information, and if it means that, it means credit information or credit report body derived information, which generally means credit information, or it could mean credit provider derived information, which usually means credit information. So in most instances, it means credit information. So let's just use that generic definition for the purposes of this morning. There's obviously permeations, but we won't get into them today. What's credit information? Identification information, consumer credit liability information, repayment history information, default info, payment info, court proceedings info, personal insolvency, and an opinion about a credit provider, whether they've committed a serious credit infringement. So that's credit information, and that is the area that's dealt with by these credit reporting provisions. What we do need to remember is that we're talking about the information of individuals here, and a lot of these categories in the old way that we usually think about these things of consumer credit info and commercial credit info, a lot of this is essentially information that would be on the person's consumer credit file. And if we're wanting to get access to that information to be able to assess someone's credit risk, and we get access to that information and it's on our database, then we need to be jumping through the hoops of Part 3A, which is your credit reporting provisions, and we need to jump through the hoops of the code. So that's your other subcategory. They all fit within personal information.